Tiger Purple Stripe striking. Right? So by this point, hopefully the students have a little better idea on the foundation as far as starting in a good sparring stance and doing those sorts of things. But you always got to make sure. So again, they want to start in a good sparring stance. The first strike, a palm strike, very easy to do, just like a punch. The difference is the hand will be open when they go all the way out. So when they're doing this, you approach it just like you would a punch. So go to your sparring stance, please. I'll just show them. I'll use my backhand. I'll go all the way out, all the way in. I'll say do the same thing. So the main thing you're going to run into is that they're turning or they're going like that. And again, you'll fix all that stuff if you hold your hand on their hand. So open your hand up and you just put your hand on their hand and say push. And what will happen is you got to give a little bit. I mean, obviously I can hold a kid back forever if I want to, but I'll have them push. Right? And I'll just kind of ease back, and that'll make sure that it goes straight and their elbow gets behind it, right? And so when you hold a pad, after you've done it in the air a few times, when you hold a pad, if they start developing into those habits again, like hitting like this or turning when they do it, you just put your hand back on it and you have them push. But then I'll hold a target again. Don't hold full strength, right? It's not good for them. I'll hold with a lot of relaxation and go ahead and hit it. And again, just like that, I'll have them do it on both sides. Okay? The palm strike is easy. The axe kick is a little tricky. Now, an axe kick should look like this. Ms. Ryan, can you show an axe kick, please?
Sure.
He'll go up as high as he can with a straight leg, and he'll hit on the way down, similar to how an axe would chop. Right? You're going to chop. Now, the problem is a lot of times tigers will not keep their legs straight, nor will they kick high. So what we'll do is we'll approach it. Older students would know this as a rising kick. We'll have them keep their legs straight and try to go up as high as they can. So I'll do it very easy. I'll just keep my legs straight and I'll show them what that is, and then I'll have them do it. And then after they've done one or two, I'll hold my hand out and say, try to touch my toes, or try to touch my hand with your toes. And then we'll go up again, I'll go higher. And if they start getting wobbly, that's probably as high as you should go. But get them used to kicking high. Then what I'll do, if let's say he's kicking here, go ahead and kick here, is I'll say, all right, now I want you to hit my hand on the way down, and I'll try to get him to do that. If you hold your hand or target low, what will usually happen is they'll kick just above it, and they'll hit, and all that will have gone to waste. So what I try to do is I try to start them high, and then I'll hold a target. Now if I have this kind of target, or you're holding a pillow, don't hold with a lot of pressure underneath. That's not good for their knee. So what I'll do is I'll hold from the side like this, right? So go ahead and try to hit it, right? And if they hit good like that, that's fine. You can go higher like that. You can hold like this. Again, you just need to have them something hit so they can go down versus hitting on the way up. You want to make sure you specify that it's a downward strike and not an up. So then what I'll do is I will say eventually, when I've done both legs, I'll do the combo. So do the palm strike, and then I'll flip it over. Notice I don't have any pressure behind it. I'm just kind of holding the end. So again, hit one, and hit two, and back.